Captain, the FBI agents are acting strange.
What? Oh!
Three hours earlier.
Benker, you didn't forget your pants today, did you?
Of course not, Captain. Would you like anything to drink?
I'm good, thanks.
Can I get milk?
Sure. Jenna, how about you?
Same as Bobo Bear, please.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Benker, can you put on normal pants?
Oh, sorry. I forgot I still have my pajama pants on.
One normal pants later.
Dad, can I have Robux? Please. I want to buy exclusive Pits and Pit Simulator X.
What? The pet gambling game?
Yes, I want a huge frog.
No. How about I get you a real frog?
But I want a huge frog.
How about a cute dog?
No, I want a huge frog.
But if you get a huge frog, you will get robbed. It's not worth the money.
Okay.
Oh! Psych! FBI, open up! Hey, yo, what's up?
What just happened?
Benker, the FBI.
The Fish Bureau of Investigation? What about them?
They just got your son.
Huh?
What? He was here a minute ago.
Sorry, Benker. I couldn't stop them. They were too fast.
But why is the FBI here? I saw Banker Jr. was about to click a Robux scam link.
Wait, how did the FBI know?
I don't know.
I'm 93.6% sure they're spying on us. Let's go find Benker Jr.
Captain, online daters.
Jenna and Bobo Bear, take care of them.
Sir, yes, sir.
Nope. Son?
Who are you?
Boy works si Papa.
Wrong person. Sorry. Captain, my son is not here.
Boy pagkaon.
Have you seen a boy who looks like Benker? He should be here. The FBI arrested him moments ago.
No, I haven't seen any FBI agents today.
Captain, bad news.
What?
It's Jenna. The FBI got her.
Longer escape. Trail 41.
Done.
FBI! Oh!
Run.
Where did they go?
I don't know. They were too fast like the Flash.
Okay, let's go to the FBI headquarters.
Freeze. Where is my son?
Oh no, the CIA is here.
As expected, let's get out of here.
What?
How do they run so fast?
It's impossible to confront them.
Nothing is impossible. Follow me. Throw away all your electronic devices.
Including my phone?
Yes.
But I just bought my iPhone 13.
I'll buy you a new one.
Okay. Captain, for the new phone. I want a pink one.
No problem. I will get you a new pink Nokia. Okay, let's dive in.
Dive in?
Yes, dive into the lake.
Okay.
Do you like chicken ice cream?
Drill
Ew,
43.
disgusting. Captain, why did you ask Ben if he likes chicken ice cream?
It's our CIA secret code. Chicken ice cream avocado. We use it to identify undercover agents.
Captain, she is not one of us.
Psych!
Not without avocado.
Bruh.
Catfish, what is going on in the FBI? You guys are acting unusual recently.
It's a long story.
Please make it short. We are in a hurry.
Last week, the FBI director hired Tubers 93's brother, Tubers 96. He is a pro hacker. He made the agents walk super fast.
Wait, what?
Ever since you arrested Jenna and made her work for you, our director feels threatened and fears that the FBI will be defunded.
Why, is Jenna that scary to your boss?
Yes, his son was once an online dater. Now he is in jail thanks to Jenna.
See, your boss ordered the agents to arrest my son for revenge?
Most likely. The FBI has been spying on you 24/7. No wonder they showed up so fast. Wait, you throw away all your phones, right?
Yes, they can't track us now.
I missed my iPhone 13.
45.
Is the FBI secretly monitoring our CIA headquarters too?
Yes, all the time. Captain, what should we do now?
I got a plan. Let's go back to HQ.
Wait, but they will know our next moves.
That's part of the plan. Before going in, pretend you don't know they're watching, okay?
Yes, Captain.
Sir, yes, sir.
Captain, can you find Banker Jr. and Jenna using CIA hacks?
Yes, but I have something better. Wait here. It's done. Let's go find them. Over there, get out your 4K camera. Now we just wait for the FBI to show up.
10 minutes later.
Captain, what did you do?
Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey! Hey, yo, what the... Bruh.
Can you stop monitoring the CIA? They are looking at the video over and over. No, keep watching. We can't miss anything. That's it. I'm stopping the video remotely. This song is driving me crazy. Let's stop the video physically. How? Follow me.
No. When the FBI breaks into our HQ, we will have the evidence of their illegal surveillance.
Captain, the FBI agents are acting strange.
What?
Wait, Banker.
CIA, you are under arrest.
Huh? Whoa. You can't arrest us now.
Oh, do you think so?
Banker, hop in. They have backups.
Captain, what is this place?
The Oasis, a world of magic.
I hope the FBI can't find us here. Sorry, I changed it.
No worries, we fight them here. FBI, surrender now. Our guns are bigger than yours.
We also wish we could surrender, but it's impossible.
Banker, over there. Go find Tubers 96.
Wilson, the FBI director, is behind the tree.
Let's go back.